In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. Whether you're setting up a professional meeting, a virtual hangout with friends, or a family gathering, the process is quite simple and straightforward. I'll guide you through every step so you'll be ready to host in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoom website. You've got a few options to do this, either by typing the web address directly into your browser or simply searching Zoom in your search engine. Once you're on the Zoom website, around the top right corner, you'll spot the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Next, it's time to choose how you want to sign into Zoom. A popular and convenient option is to use your Google account, especially if it's already linked for ease of access. Click on Google and then proceed to pick the Google account you wish to use for logging in. After selecting your account, your Zoom dashboard will open up, giving you access to all the needed features. Now that you're signed into Zoom, let's get down to hosting a meeting. In the top right corner of your Zoom dashboard, you'll see a button labeled Host. Click this to begin the process. This will take you through setting up your meeting preferences. At this point, Zoom will present you with various options for hosting your meeting. You'll have the choice to host with or without your video on. Since we're keeping things simple today, let's click on With Video Off. This option might be useful if you prefer audio only for your meeting or if you're not camera ready just yet. Once you've selected your video preference, Zoom offers the flexibility to join the meeting directly from your browser. This is a convenient feature if you're on a device where installing the Zoom app might not be ideal or if you simply want to avoid additional downloads. Click on Join from your browser. This will prompt a quick load time and shortly you'll have your meeting window appear before you. And just like that, you're officially ready to host your Zoom meeting. You'll see the familiar meeting controls at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to manage participants, share your screen, or utilize the chat function. Remember, hosting a meeting puts you in control. You can start or pause recordings, manage attendees, and lead the conversation effortlessly. That wraps up our tutorial on how to host a Zoom meeting. With these instructions, setting up and running your virtual meetup should be a breeze. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore Zoom's additional resources or comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Zoom meetings go smoothly.